A is for apple, apple in the tree. B is for ball, bouncing happily. C is for cat, cuddly as can be. D is for dog, barking playfully. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for goat, running up the hill. H is for hat, wear it when it's chill. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jelly, wiggly and bold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, climbing all around. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, walking left and right. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rabbit, jumping up and down. S is for sun, shining every day. T is for turtle, slow on its way. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing notes so high. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, music for you and me. Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, stripy and all.